Hello and welcome back. How is everybody? Hope you're all doing well, fine and dandy. And remember, if you don't subscribe, I'm telling your mother. It's been a month now since I went to a car boot sale. Oh dear. I'm getting withdrawal symptoms, so I had to go onto eBay and buy some crap. So I typed in the search bar rusty tools and broken tools, and luckily my prayers were answered. So let's have a look at the eBay haul bag of dreams, or boxes of dreams, because I've not opened them yet and I need the space in the workshop. Let's open this lot and let's have a look in the mind of Krista Bodge. It's probably empty. This is my latest acquisition, a 16-inch alligator type spanner, and I said to myself, Chris, what you need in your life is a 16-inch rusty heavy spanner, and it weighs about 1.5 kilo. And again, it's got a good patination on it. It's well edged. So that was a good start. Let's see what else we've got. I got this in the post. Unfortunately, there was no wine in it, and it's quite a big box for what I bought. They packaged it well. They must be the only box they had. So let's have a quick look inside. Nothing special. I just needed a lot of pliers and pincers for a project I'm doing. It's best to buy in bulk, and sometimes you get lucky and get an old one. I don't know if I've showed this one before. This is nice. This is a forged set of tin snips. There's a little blow lamp detail on there. I didn't notice that before. That's nice. It's a good one. This is like a car boot, but just more expensive. Also, we've got more gas pliers. I like them. Yep. More pincers, more slimline pincers this time. There's no point harping on about them, let's just keep pulling them out the box. See what we got. We've got lots to get through. Ah, this is nice. I think this is a Leatherworkers multi-tool pliers. It looks old. I like them old. And gnarly. Yeah, so that's a multi-tool, so that was a bonus. I think that's why I bought the box. All the other ones were just a bonus. I wanted this. Handsome. Handsome piece of metal. Yeah, just some more generic pincers. Nothing to write home about. All good stock though. Got some flat ones. These seems to be USA. Not your average ones. Right, that's that box. Let's keep going. That's definitely not pliers. Thank goodness. I think we're pliered out now. Let's see what this is. Hopefully it's something electrical. That could be wrong. Could be a spray gun. I usually buy all this junk and just store it up. So I'm in the mood. Goodness me, I don't even know what that is. Something air powered. Oh yeah, I remember now. It's like a layer sander. Vintage. Happy days. I'll plug that in, see if it works. Just a suspected broken. It spins round but there's no power, there's no torque. Makes a nice noise though. Right, let's move on. Definitely broken. Let's add another big box. Let's keep the theme going. Which the recycle bin's going to be happy this week. Oops. Right. So it's not a snake or anything like that. Ah. Oh dear. Oh dear. Anything else in there? Just the one item. Oh yeah. Oh yes, good. I bought one of these a couple of months ago, the full finger spray unit, but I managed to find on eBay half a spray unit. So the one I bought was actually too nice to carve up. I'm happy with that. A minstrel electric spray gun. I might just plug it in. Or we could take it apart and see what's inside it. Yeah, happy days. Nice bit of retro. That should clean up well. Pity it's missing the rest. Good. Let's continue. So that is the latest one that's missing everything and in bad condition. And this is the one I bought earlier on, which is actually in mint working condition. Who remembers that noise back in the 70s? The best way to annoy your neighbours. So that's that. So that was that parcel. Let's move on. What have we got? What the hell's this, Chris? I don't even know what this is. Something important. Eyeballs. Yes. You always need a packet of eyeballs. Keep going. Let's open this one up and then that'll do for this video. I'm getting bored myself. Like I said, most of these come under the rusty and broken setting. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah, I got this untested. I got this for £3. Like a, that doesn't sound good. Like an impact gun. It was an impact gun. Yeah, that's cool. No maker's name, I don't think. That was a good buy for £3. Happy days. Off the same guy, I think I won another air gun. Possibly a similar price. I think I got the whole lot for about £5 plus postage. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's missing a button, that one. That's like an air drill. No name again. Just generic. Broken air tools. That's interesting. Look at that. Not seen nothing like that before. Kind of cool. It's like some kind of exhaust vent. It's an interesting piece of metal. Right, that'll do it for that video. I think there's enough boxes of crap left over to make another one. Oh dear. So thanks for viewing, everybody. And that was looking inside the mind of Cresta Bodge.